Let's jet it!
Jet power! Every day you're ready for a new life. Jet AI. Let me go away. That's all I need.
Jet finish.
Our most powerful AI clean ever. Samsung Bespoke Jet AI.
Dyson's high-density neodymium magnets are new technologies that make this motor their fastest yet, giving you 262 air watts of suction in their most powerful cordless vacuum. An optically targeted blade of light now reveals twice the amount of invisible dust. Particles are analysed to show your floor is clean, and HEPA filtration keeps them trapped. Dyson's most powerful HEPA cordless vacuum.
Live easy, enjoy life.
Dyson's powerful vacuum now washes hard floors, continuously using clean water from start to finish. One machine for your whole home. Dyson's powerful vacuum now washes hard floors. Buy direct from Dyson.
Life is messy. Cordless vacuums shouldn't be. Most hold only a small amount of dirt, so need constant emptying, which is dusty and difficult. Say hello to Henry Quick. His clever new pod system brings dust-free emptying, bigger capacity, and powerful cleaning. You'll be ready for whatever mess life throws at you. His interchangeable battery powers a digital motor and direct drive brush head for ultimate cleaning performance. This powerful suction lifts and traps dirt inside of the pod. Airflow compacts the dust, increasing capacity, so you clean more and empty less. With Henry Quick, there are no messy filters to clean. Henry's pod is the filter. So with every new pod, you're back to brand new performance. When he finally does need emptying, just swap in a fresh pod. It's quick, easy, and completely mess-free. Henry Quick. No dust, no mess, no fuss.